kung nantawan natin to sa silid actually, dito pa lang sa silid makita mo may something is ano rin na dito mong hay, because the metal paring, ang nagatabit sa metal paring nga is kukulumber.
Kukulumber?
Yes, may mga portions siya nga kukulumber ang nakatabit sa metal paring. So pwede na, kaya natin
Which I suppose, Yvonne, is not in the design.
Yeah.
Na kukulumber ang usaran. Yes, sir.
I have one question. In your program of work, specification materials, may kukulumber kang inmutak. Right. So there you are. The contractor already cheated by using kukulumber instead of the hard lumber.
Well, sir, excuse me. If Ma'am Yvonne is referring to the hangers of the metal faring, actually it was better than the original hangers because the original hangers are only tie wires. Amura na ang original hanger. They placed it at some portion with wooden hangers so that it would be more sturdy and stronger.
Okay. And what is that wooden hanger? Kukulumber?
Maybe I really don't know regarding
No,
that.
but in your specification, when you prepare your
Our
program of work,
specification, sir, is the hangers are GI wires.
the wires.
GI wires. So if they at some portion they placed lumber maybe, pero as far as we know wala ang lumber. Pero if they replaced it, maybe it is stronger than the tie wires.
You mean to tell me
Mr.
that kukulumber is stronger?